Hello everyone, how is it going? So as of now, we have discussed three things majorly. First of all, what is the need of Docker, wherein I explained you what is Docker. Post that, we discussed the differences between virtual machines and Docker containers. And at the last, we also discussed what is containerization, wherein we discussed on what does a container has inside it. So in this video, we will be installing Docker in Windows. The previous video was about installing Docker in MacBook. In case you have a Mac and you are confused, make sure to check the video before this. In the next video, it will be how you need not install Docker and still run it on the web. Excited for it? Make sure to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's open a favorite web browser. And once you open that, just type Docker download. And then we click enter, and then we go for the official Docker website, and then we download Docker desktop. As you can see, the page also shows that the #1 containerization software for developers and team. We get an option to download for Windows, so we just click on that. So let's wait until it gets downloaded. Now once it is downloaded, we will go to the file explorer and go to our downloads option, and over there, as you can see, we have an exe file, so we will just simply double click on that. Since I have already installed Docker application, so it just shows that it has already been done, but for you it might take a while. Okay, now let's type Docker desktop, and yeah, over here it is. So in the first go, it will ask to accept the terms and conditions. So since it is from a dedicated source, so we will just simply accept it, and we will go with the default settings. And let's click on finish. We will not sign up as of now, so we will continue without signing in. Also, you can fill up these details, but as of now, let's skip it. So initially it will take a while to set up the Docker engine, and I have also explained Docker engine, so in case you have not watched, go for it. So you can see there are a lot of options. Even that gives you an explanation on what is container. Then we have volumes, then we have sort of dev environments, learning center, and everything. So we will explore each and everything together. So as of now, like as you can see, we have done. So let's just check that if we have the Docker command in our PowerShell. So let's just type Docker, then version. For say Docker help, yeah. You can check the Docker status from the menu bar, and also you can check this particular settings, and you can pause and stop. So let's quit Docker desktop as of now. Well, so I hope we are in sync. You installed the Docker in your local machine and you faced no errors. Well, congrats on that. Now, in case you faced any errors, feel free to mention those in the comments. And in the next video, we will be looking forward and exploring with the heart of Docker, that is Docker images. So at first we will be discussing what are images, and then we will be pulling our first Docker image. Excited for that? Make sure to subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching, and bye bye.